but I can't. First of all,
Okay, there we go. I think I fixed it. If you're in front of TJ Maxx and Home Goods.
okay, so I'm gonna get a pineapple. I never get pineapple.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're looking at a hot mess right now, but that's okay. It kind of goes with the theme of this vlog. If you're new here, I'm Nicole, and in today's video, I will be talking to you guys through, or taking you guys through my steps on getting through seasonal depression. Kind of. This is more like a step-by-step type of thing. Like, you know, day by day. Sometimes it's not the best. Sometimes we're good. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you what the weather is right now. So if you're like me, this type of weather is like worst case scenario. It's freezing outside right now and it's raining. I don't know if you can tell, but yes, it's actually raining, and it's been raining hard all day, but it kind of slowed down, which is really what encouraged me to start this vlog, because now I feel like I can leave the house. But yes, so just getting up out of bed is always the first step, always the way to get your day started. And yeah, so I'm just going to take you guys along with me throughout the day and show you what I do to get myself in a perkier spirit, a better mood, because this literally happens every year. I feel like it happens around like right after New Year's, right? Like, you know, everyone's at a peak at New Year's, you know, we all have these ideas of what we want for the new year. We make our vision boards, we make plans, we have just a high anticipation for the new year, and then it just drops. Especially since, like, you know, in December it's cold, but it's okay because it's like Christmas time. That's like the theme of Christmas. And now it's cold and rainy in January, and it's like, what is the reason? What is the purpose? So yeah, I feel like that's where it all stems. But you know what? Last year it hit hard, and I was not motivated to film or upload. And I'm not going through that this year. I already made the decision. I'm not doing that this year. So I'm going to get up and get chipper, and I'm making it a mindset, and I'm going to, yeah, like I said a billion times, show you guys what I'm doing to get myself through. Okay, so first things first is I'm going to start with my hair. I am on a journey this year. I decided that I'm going to learn to love my curly hair, and not only just love it, but like let it do its thing. Last year was a straight hair girl year, and that's mainly because I just feel so much prettier with straight hair. I'm not even gonna lie. But I've decided that, you know what, we're just going to let our curly hair grow, and I feel like if it grows a lot more, then I will like it a lot more. So I'm trying my best to leave it alone. Today I'm just going to put it in, I think I'm gonna do it like a low back bun maybe. Okay, yeah, I don't think I trust my hair for like a claw clip type deal, so I don't know. Actually, do I just want to leave it alone, like leave it down? I don't know. I don't think I'm there yet. Personally, this looks like a hot mess. So yeah, I think I'm just going to, maybe I'll try a claw clip. I think, well, it keeps falling out. Hold on. Okay, there we go. I think I fixed it. And it's just kind of cute. I love it. I think. We'll see how it stays up. But yes, now another thing that's been irritating me and contributing to me not wanting to do anything is this acne. So I've been breaking out like crazy, and that's simply because I have not been tending to my skin, I guess, the way I should be. And also, okay, this is the first year I've ever like had acne like this. It's crazy. Actually, yeah, before this point, I have never had like more than a pimple in my life. And so, yeah, this is definitely contributing to me not wanting to do anything or go anywhere. So now I'm just trying to find ways to A, cover it up for now, and B, just get rid of it. And I don't really know what to do, so I'm kind of trying everything. And yeah, so if you have any recommendations on like what I should or could do to get rid of this hideous acne, then feel free to comment that down below. Not only the acne, like the dark spots. So I also recently got back into the gym, started working out, which if you don't know, working out definitely helps with like, I think it's endorphins or something like that. So if you're ever feeling down, definitely working out and getting your body moving and your blood rushing will help with that. And also wearing a really cute outfit helps. So I'm wearing my favorite green shorts and this black sports bra type crop top. And it is very cold outside. So I'm only wearing that under my clothes because I absolutely hate wearing like longer clothes to work out in. And I'm wearing this really comfy sweatpants outfit on top. I feel like the rest of this video will be me literally highlighting my favorites because whenever I am not feeling the best or just not feeling motivated, literally doing my favorites, like my favorite things to do, will help me out a lot. For instance, gold hoop. Honestly, just gold jewelry in general. This perfume that I got from TJ Maxx has always been one of my favorites. Even though I have new perfumes, if you watched my Treating Myself vlog, I got a ton of like luxury, bougier perfumes, but that one has always been my favorite. And I think I made that one my signature scent a while ago, and I think I'm going to stick to it because I just absolutely love it. I'll put on this sweatpants set in a second, but I really need to clean my apartment because honestly, truly, I don't know if you've seen that TikTok trend that's like, your room is a reflection of your mind. That is honestly so true. So just cleaning my space and having a better looking environment definitely helps my mood so much. So this, even though it's not much, is unacceptable and is contributing to me not having a good mood. I'm in the car now and I'm headed to wherever I feel like going right now. As you can hear around me, it just, well, besides the water creeping back there, anyways, it's still raining and it's actually not raining too hard. I like walked to the car and there are like no watermarks on my sweatshirt. So it's not, I don't even know, I don't understand the rain. Like it looks like it's pouring, but I'm not soaked. So anyways, right now I am going to Chick-fil-A because I haven't had Chick-fil-A in forever and I just really truly want some Chick-fil-A right now. I can literally taste the nuggets. One thing that actually does help me is being out and about and around people and just not like sitting in my dark apartment all by myself, especially like when it rains and stuff. It makes my apartment so dark, which is nice when I'm going to sleep, but like when I'm like in the mood where I don't feel motivated or like any type of encouragement, I need it to be brighter. That's why I truly need to move somewhere like to Florida. I know I've said this a billion times and I'm pretty sure I said this around the same time last year, but like I am dying to move somewhere where it's like sunny all the time. I'm in TJ Maxx now, but I'm just walking through. I'm going to come back this way to see what sweatpants are in the boys section because honestly their sweatpants, like the pants, fit so much better than ours. And then also look at some of the exercise clothes and look at the jewelry because I really want some new jewelry. Maybe. I don't know. I'm just spitballing here. And then but first, before I do all of that, I'm going to Chick-fil-A. Okay, now I'm just waiting for my food. I got the #1 meal with extra pickle, which is going to be delicious. I was planning on getting nuggets, but I feel like the meal will be a lot more filling. And I also got this cookies and cream milkshake, which is very fitting because, first of all, cookies and cream is the best ice cream. And second of all, because I really want it. And this is what's making me happy right now. They actually just gave me my food. I was just telling you what I got, but now I'm sitting out here and I'm going to people watch, which is literally my favorite thing in the world to do, but I can show you my food. Here are my fries and my sandwich that I got. I also just had to go back for some Sprite because for some reason they thought I just wanted a milkshake and not the drink, but no, I wanted both. Back it up. And now we eat and people watch, and people are actually watching me. Watching me vlog and kind of talk to myself, but that's okay. Now let's go see what Bath & Body Works has. Okay, so these are on sale like I was hoping. So I think I'm going to get 2 new candles and then I'll just walk around and see what else I can find. Oh, I love soap. Okay, I think I'm done. I literally did some damage there, and now everything's starting to smell the same, so that means it's time for me to go. And let's just see if I actually grabbed everything that was 75% off, or if something was in the wrong spot like it normally is. Okay, I did some damage, and this is very heavy, but I'm going to TJ Maxx, going back to TJ Maxx to go look at the jewelry, because I really want some new gold jewelry, like some necklaces or something. And yeah, just going to go see what I can find there, and if I don't find anything, then we can leave and I can go to Walmart. Okay, I'm walking into Walmart now, and I just have a few quick things I need to get from here. Should I get myself an apron? I mean, I know I'm just like a beginner chef, but like this could be like next level for me. I will wait on that. I'll wait to get myself a cute little apron, but I have been cooking a lot more. I'm very proud to say. Okay, so I added more to my cart. Basically, what I'm doing right now is just getting some healthier foods. You guys, if you saw my last video, you already know I went grocery shopping. Honestly, that video was probably filmed like 2 weeks ago though, so I definitely still need groceries, but yeah, it's just I don't need a lot of groceries because I just went grocery shopping. But I find that whenever I eat better or eat healthier, why is this so dusty looking? Hold on. Better. I find that whenever I eat better, like my mood just gets better and I just feel better. So right now I'm just picking up a bunch of like healthier options. Like I grabbed some oranges, and I'm looking for some potatoes because I would really love to make some like potatoes or something, mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, whatever, for dinner. So I'm looking for bigger potatoes. And yeah, I think I'm gonna grab another bag of salad. I also grabbed some bananas, which I typically don't get, but just being able to like wake up and grab a healthier option will definitely make me feel a lot better. But I can go ahead and grab this avocado for an avocado hair mask. Actually, I'm gonna get a bag of cuties because first off, I love cuties way more, and second, because they're cheaper. So I'll get the cuties, and I think I'm actually gonna get pineapple. I never get pineapple because I never actually feel like cutting this. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get a pineapple, and I don't even remember how to tell if they're bad or not. Okay, I'm in the car now. I just left Walmart. I checked out, which you guys saw, and I got a bit of things that you guys didn't get to see. So I need to start my car to have that on. I will definitely be doing a haul whenever I get back to my apartment, but that took a lot longer than I thought it would because I was getting things that I normally don't get, and I got things for some ingredients for tomorrow's vlog. And I was also talking to my mom to figure out the ingredients that I needed to get. But now I am actually going to head over to the gym. Okay, I am home and freshly showered, and I just feel so much better. Taking a hot shower definitely helps me. If I'm ever feeling down, I just get up, take a hot shower, and whether that's in the morning or at night, which typically I take my showers at night, but sometimes if I'm just feeling it, I'll just take a shower in the morning, which I know is not good for my skin. Anyways, speaking of skin, now I'm just going to go ahead and do some quick skincare, which you guys have seen me do a billion times. I'm just putting some aloe vera gel on first, and then I'm going to go in just with some plain moisturizer. Okay, here is a quick pan of everything that I got, and I think I'm going to start with Walmart first just because I got the most from Walmart. So from Walmart, I got some almond milk, which I definitely need to go ahead and put up. I actually forgot I got almond milk. I never get milk. So yeah, I got almond milk, and then I also got some chicken broth, a ton of fruit. I got some bananas, and I typically only get 4 because I cannot eat them fast enough. I also got some cuties, and I got an avocado for an avocado hair mask that I will be doing. Some diced tomatoes for my soup, some beans for my soup. All of this, my mom was on the phone with me telling me like what to get. So she also told me to get some dark red kidney beans, pineapple, some more Alfredo sauce, some spinach, birria noodles, some carrots, and then I also got some croissants, 3 masks that actually I forgot I wanted to use tonight. I also got some fun cakes that I plan to make and some cornbread to go with my soup tomorrow. But my most favorite stop today was Bath & Body Works for their 75% off sale. And I got so many scents. I got Fall and Bloom, the lotion. I only got lotions, really. And then Sweater Weather. But I also got a new body scrub, Open Your Mind, lavender body scrub, and then Refresh Your Body, another body scrub. I'm so happy about those. And I also got a ton of soaps, like shea butter soaps. Yes. So I got eucalyptus spearmint, and I also got this orange and ginger. These smell so good. Coffee and whiskey is literally my favorite one. I've never purchased these before because I do not go into Bath & Body Works to get those, but now's the perfect time for me to try them. So I also got Clean Slate. I got literally one of every single one, and then I got another one of these too just because they smelled so good. I think, like I said, after a while, they all started to smell the same. So I'm really hoping it smells good. And then I also got this Autumn Woods candle. Okay, everything is up and it looks so clean now. So now I'm just about to put on an actual face mask, watch some Netflix, and wind down for the night. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys.